Good day, everyone. My name is Steve Lawrence, and I'm coming to you from the Restoration Ministries Bermuda. We're looking at for a Word Up Wednesday today. I think it's James 4 verse 7. And it talks about, first it says we must seek God. Then it speaks to us resisting the devil. And then after we've followed those two original steps, which is seek God, then resist the devil, the third thing that it says is that the devil will actually flee. Now, one of the things I actually enjoy doing is word studies. I love word studies. So when I saw resist, I said, let me see what it says in the actual Greek of the text. And when you look at the original Greek in which it was penned, it actually not only says, resist, it actually says you should oppose the devil. And the context in which it is used, it means that you've actually taken a decision to fight with God against the devil. Now that was very enlightening to me because I had not truly understood that in my decisions to obey or disobey God, I was literally opposing God or opposing the devil, depending on what choice we make. So my thing today is looking at my own failings, my own frailness. I've messed up so many times, but I'm recognizing that the big thing is to resist the devil. Resist the devil. Oppose the devil, meaning partner with God. Join in the army with God that opposes the kingdom of the devil. That encourages me. So let's oppose the devil in our lives. Let us just oppose. Have an amazing week with an amazing God. Keep praying, keep believing. Remember to follow us on Restoration Ministries Bermuda. We're on YouTube, we're on Facebook, we're on other social media platforms under the same name. And we also have a 24-hour prayer line. So if you need prayer, reach out to us on YouTube, on Facebook, or any of our other social media handles, and we will pray with you. Have a great week.